Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ragini and I talk about mindset and personal growth. If you're thinking that you're happy while you are in your comfort zone and you want to grow in your life, then let me tell you, you are wrong. If you want to grow in your life, then you have to get out of your comfort zone because comfort zone and growth cannot go hand in hand. When you get out of your comfort zone, you truly unlock your potential, you evolve as a different person and you discover new opportunities. I know getting out of your comfort zone it's not going to be easy. It is going to be challenging and you are going to face a lot of transformation, but let me tell you, it is going to be worth it. Let's find out what is comfort zone. We often find ourselves in an environment where we are comfortable and we feel familiar. It's natural to stay in those spaces where things are comfortable, predictable and safe. Because of those routines, habits and familiar surrounding, we often get sense of security. But let me tell you the truth. Staying in comfort zone is like planting a seed in a small pot. The seed may grow, but plant will never reach its full potential unless it is transplanted into a bigger space. Same happens with the growth. It requires you to take risks, move into new environment and make a big decisions. Then only you will as a person reach at your full potential. As I said before, it is not going to be easy. You're going to face a fear or challenging situations to get out of your comfort zone or to step into that new phase of your life. A lot of people fear entering into a new situation, entering into a new phase of life or entering into unknown phases. Why? Because it feels risky. As a human being, we are wired to avoid the uncertainty, which is why it is not easy to get out of your comfort zone. You can say to move into a new place or take the new opportunities. Now you will be thinking, how do I move out of my comfort zone? It is not going to be easy. Let me tell you. You might be thinking it is easier said than done, and you are right. Taking the first step toward your growth can feel overwhelming, but here is the mindset shift. You need to see that overthinking is not going to lead or take you anywhere, which is why you need to stop overthinking and take that first step toward your new growth and new opportunities. Even if you take that first step, what worse can happen? The worst thing can happen is that you might fail, but failure is not the end. Failure will teach you something, the learning, which is going to help you in your future while taking the decision. Failure will only going to provide insight, learning and opportunity for your growth, which staying in one place can never provide. Taking that first step toward your growth might feel overwhelmed, but you have to shift your mindset, and instead of thinking what might happen, just take that action, just take that first step, because overthinking will only going to prevent you from moving forward, which is why it is so important for you to listen to your guts, listen to your heart and think about your growth and success and take that first step toward your goal. If you take that first step, you are going to fail, but failure is necessary. Failure teaches you something. Failure is not the end. Failure is the lesson. It is the insight and opportunity for your growth, which you could never have got if you have stayed in one place. Forget about your fears and failures. Take first leap of faith, even if it feels scary, even if it might not make you successful, but you have to take that first step and make yourself proud. Now take the example of nature. Nature itself shows that change is so much important for us. There are so many seasons like rainy seasons, summer, winter seasons. Sometimes it can be hot weather in summer seasons. Sometimes it can be a biting cold in cold weather, or sometimes it can be a heavy rain in rainy season. But despite all of this, we still embrace the beauty of it. We still enjoy it because nature also knows that change is necessary for renewal and growth. Same happens with the growth. Change is not something to fear. It's actually to embrace it, because you have no idea where your life will take you. You can miss so many opportunities if you fear the change. Imagine staying in one place you could never know what's out there, what could happen to you, how you can grow. Growth is actually about breaking free from routines, exploring yourself, getting that new opportunities and new experiences, and challenging yourself in a tough situations. Think about this. You have no idea how much potential you have until you get out of your comfort zone. And it just take a first step to unlock new world of possibilities. Your comfort zone is a contentment of change. It's where you avoid the change because you don't want to get out of your comfort zone, because it feels easier and safe. But the truth is, staying in your comfort zone will only going to limit your potential. You're never going to reach your highest potential if you're going to limit your beliefs. I know change can be scary, it brings some challenges, but it only leads us to the growth. Imagine our ancestor has stayed in one place and they have denied the change. The advancement, opportunities and experiences we are having today wouldn't have exist anymore. Growth requires embarrassing change, even it feels uncomfortable, because in your uncomfortable you're going to grow. You have to accept that your comfort is your biggest enemy. You have to accept your uncomfortable. How do you actually start? How do you take that first step? There are some things which I am going to share with you step by step, which will help you to get out of your comfort zone. You can set small goals, achievable or manageable goals. For example, try learning a new skill or try a new hobby. You can try a new activity in your daily life. You have to identify the fear, face it, find out the way to overcome it. For example, you are afraid to speak in a public, you are afraid to talk to any stranger, then you have to just start the conversation, initial conversation, or you can practice by talking into your camera. That way you can increase your confidence, or you can increase your confidence by reading a book. Surround yourself with growth oriented people, because right people is going to support you and they'll encourage you and motivate you. Learn to celebrate your success, because every step you take out of your comfort zone, whether it is small or whether it is big, it is going to be win for you. Even if nobody celebrates it with you, you can just have a bit of chocolate, or you can order yourself a cake or pastry and then you can enjoy it, or you can take out for yourself. Think about the time when you actually step out of your comfort zone in a past, like for example taking that a new job or moving into a new city or the learning new skill. You must have felt scary or you must have felt risky at that time, but don't forget that, because that you took that step at that time, that is why where are you now. You took that new job, which is why you are here now, earning a better money and being at the better place. Growth is a journey and it is not a destination. It is about constantly learning, pushing yourself and getting that new opportunities. You're going to evolve in a different person just by taking first step. Don't let this fear of failure and uncertainty stop you, because it is just an insecurity. Take that first step, embrace the unknown, trust the process. Always remember that magic happens outside of your comfort zone. So go out there and create the life you are capable of living. Thank you for joining me in this video. If this message resonates with you, leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more content like this. Until the next time, keep growing and keep pushing your boundaries. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video.